Hello, dear Aquarius. A very good morning to you. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading from 11th of June till 20th of June. So let's see what is coming towards you, what to expect from your partner till 20th of June. Okay. So keep in mind these are general love readings. These might or might not resonate with you. Resonate what is resonate. Sorry, take what is resonating with you and leave the other part. Okay. And yes, the roles can be reversed as well. Okay. If I'm telling this person is feeling that like that, you could be feeling like that. It could be possible. Okay, let's start. Aquarius, your partner's current energy right now is Two of Pentacles. I feel like Aquarius, your partner is very confused right now. This is the Two of Pentacles. They're juggling between two situations. Might be they're juggling between yes or no. Might be they're juggling between two people at the same time. But this person is hell lot of confused, dual-minded. Okay, moody, mood swings. Sometimes they are very happy. Sometimes they are very sad. Sometimes they feel like yes, everything is good between us. Sometimes they feel like nothing is working. To hell with this connection. Let's clarify further before panicking. Let's start. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles in their current energy. Ace of Cups, the Tower, and the Strength. You could be dealing with a Leo, Aquarius, okay, or a Taurus, because this is the Two of Pentacles energy as well. So I feel like they are developing new feelings for you, but they are suddenly realizing that they should stop, they should hold on. They are very confused. Okay, so I feel like they love you, they have lots of feelings for you, there's no doubt on that, but they are fearing that the worst will happen in the future. They are fearing that this relationship will be a disaster, or or they are already feeling like you guys are not together anymore energetically, and they're trying to hold back, they're trying to be as much as courageous as possible. Okay, they're trying to hold back and they're trying to tame their inner lawyer. So they are trying to be really very patient about the situation. Although they are very confused right now, they are trying to act as much as mature as possible and as much as practical as possible from their side. So that is why, although they are conflicted, the story behind this conflict is that they are trying to be patient with this situation. They are trying to come to some conclusion regarding this connection with you. Okay, let's see Aquarius, your current energy right now. Four of Pentacles. Yes, you are also holding back. This is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign is definitely here. Four of Pentacles energy. You are also holding back. Might be are holding back. Might this is holding back as well, and you're controlling. You're just clenching everything that is coming towards. You are not able to release. You are not ready to release. Okay, so I feel like you are holding this person too tight towards your heart, and you are feeling like I am not able to leave this person. I am not able to make this person go away from me. I'm not going to leave this person alone, or I'm not going to allow this person to breathe even. This is your situation right now. You are being a control freak right now. This is the exact word. Trying to control each and everything. Release these situations, release these emotions. Aquarius, if you want happiness in your life, you have to release these situations. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles in your current energy, Aquarius. Four of Pentacles again, and the Six of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. So I feel like you are being a total control freak. You are trying to control each and everything because you feel like this person is your success, this person is your victory. You are very passionate about this particular person. You want to rush into a relationship, or rush into a committed relationship, or rush into a marriage, something like that. So I feel like Aquarius, you are feeling like this person is only mine, over possessive, over jealous, and over protective towards this particular person. You are fearing the worst. You are fearing that this person will walk away, or something negative will happen to you guys. I don't know what is happening, but you are being a total control freak right now, Aquarius. This is your current energy. Let's see what this person feels for you, Aquarius. Their feelings for you, Aquarius. Let's see what this person feels for you right now. Star, you could be dealing with an Aquarius again. So this person is feeling very positive, very hopeful. They are trying to be as spiritual as they can. Okay, they are tapping into their spiritual side. They are seeking answers from within. They are trying to be very positive and hopeful about this situation, about this connection overall. And they have lots of emotions for you, there's no doubt in that. but still they carry some kind of fear regarding this particular connection. Okay, let's clarify. They are feeling very, very positive about this situation, about this connection's future. Let's clarify further. So they are trying to balance their emotions, balance everything between you guys. Let's clarify. Seven of Cups, Four of Wands, and Ten of Pentacles. Yes. So I feel like although they are confused right now, although I feel like this person is might be they are confused whether to focus on their professional life, on their personal life, on their health, or they are trying to focus on so many things at the same time, or so many people at the same times, and they want a committed, long-term committed relationship that is solid. They don't want time pass or something like that, and they want to have a family, they want to have a family, they want to have a solid committed relationship, that is they want. And they have hopes for this connection. They are very, very positive about this connection, that this connection will provide them everything that they want. Okay, they are very, very hopeful about the future of this connection, that yes, in the future this connection or this relationship is going to be very, very stable, committed, and we guys will be really, really happy in the future. These are their feelings for you, Aquarius. Okay, let's see, Aquarius, what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. King of Wands. This person wants you to be very, very clear about your intention. This person wants you to be passionate, but practical and mature. This person wants you to be mature. Basically, this is the King of Wands energy, and the kings are always mature people. And this is someone who is a very risky king. Okay, they are ready to take the risk. They are not going to think about taking the risk, or they are not going to think about the past or future. They are living in the present. So I feel like this person wants you to live in the present. And okay, passion is a fine thing, passion is a good thing, but they want you to be mature and practical about things. Okay, don't overdo, don't be over possessive, don't be over jealous, or don't overdo anything. This is what they want from you. Let's clarify further, Aquarius. Let's clarify the King of Wands as what they want from you. Seven of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and King of Cups. Yes, so I feel like this person wants you to come out of this waiting stage. I feel like this person feels like you are waiting for something to happen from a very long time, or you are waiting. You have put some kind of restrictions or pressure on them, and you're waiting for an answer from their side. You are putting some kind of terms and conditions on this connection. I feel like that, and they are feeling like you should remove those conditions. Otherwise, you will feel lost. You will feel depressed because they are not going to work according to you. Okay, they want you to be flexible, and they want you to feel the love, feel the connection right now. Don't be so harsh on yourself, don't be so harsh on them, and just feel the connection, feel the passion, and remove the inflexibility, remove the rigidity. Although you are very, very passionate, they feel it, they can see that you are passionate, but you should remove this remove this over passion, over possessiveness, and be stable and grounded. This is what they want from you. So they feel like you're somewhat immature. You might be right now acting very, very immature, and they want you to be a little mature. This is what they want from you. Yeah, let's see what to expect from this person till 20th of June. Let's see, where is King of Pentacles. So I feel like this person is coming towards you with a very, very stable and mature energy. This is a King of Pentacles. So I feel like this person is, yes, definitely coming towards you with a definite definite energy, with a mature energy, with a very, very practical energy, with no nonsense energy. Okay. So they are going to tell you exactly what they want from you, or exactly what they are going to, make you communicate with them, make you talk to them, and make you feel like, a prince or princess or something like that. Really caring and loving energy, but they want clarity and honesty and maturity. Let's clarify the King of Pentacles. The Sun, the Hermit, the Six of Swords. This Leo energy here again and again. Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Any of them, you could be connected with them. So I feel like this person feels like you are their happiness. There is no doubt in that. But they want to look. They feel like they should look within. They are seeking answers from within. They are trying to come to a peaceful resolution. But there is still lots of conflict between you guys. There is still a lot of negativity in this connection. They are still carrying the you guys are still carrying the baggage of the past with you. And yes, this person is very mature. They feel like maturity is the only solution about this particular conflict right now. So that's why they're coming in towards you. You might feel like little off. You might feel like this person is not talking to me, or this person is not communicating with me on that level as I want. But to be honest, I feel like this person is much more mature than you, and they know how to deal with situations. And you are acting little immature. To be very honest, I'm really sorry if I hurted you, but this is the truth. Aquarius, you should deal with things very very maturely. This is not how relationship works. You can't put foundations, you can't put your own terms and conditions, and just make a relationship work according to you. This is not how it works, Aquarius. Okay, so Aquarius, thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight, and you will definitely work on your situation. Thank you so much. Namaste.